Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Vesta 67's workshop. Welcome to issue number 70 of Build Your Own Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 from the year 1967 from our mates at DeAgostini. Now, I want to grab this and build along with me this iconic, beautiful 1/6 scale model. Head over to this link. It's a clickable version below in the description. That will take you to DeAgostini's website where you can subscribe to their wonderful Partwork. You will not be disappointed. We'll have a quick shifty through the mag. We've got Flat Rock, a new factory for the Mustang there. Nice production line going. Must be a nice place to work. Rolling off there, this is the Shelby GT350 and GT350R production line there. Looks nice, doesn't it, with the white and the flat black speed stripes, I must admit. It'd be nice if they did one in carbon fibre, the speed stripes. Perhaps it is carbon fibre, I don't know. Anywho, we've got the left upper rear panel with all the trim inlays going in, folks. So you're going to need your interior from the past that we've been working on. This is how all the bits go together. And then where it fits on the side of your Mustang, folks. And it just completes that inner section, okay? Next up, Ford ends Ferrari's reign with the GT40. No, what a car. This was qualifying. And they used to run across the tracks there. Yeah. Bless 10 miles there. And then this is the information there of how Ford ended the reign. This is the Ferrari 330. So yeah, give these a read, folks. You can get some really decent info from them. So let's have a quick looky look at what parts we've got. We've got the upper section there. And then we've got all these trim inlays to go in as well, folks, okay? So that's what we're going to be doing today. Like so. So let's grab this. Now we're putting this little inlay in this way round with the letter L facing you like so. And then we're going to be doing the same with this piece, with this little lug facing towards you. Just like so. Okay? That's what we're up to. I want to just get rid of my gnarly old fingerprint off there as best I can. Like so. And then we want to drop this trim panel over all of that. It almost gives you like the appearance of a latch, like so. Yeah. And then we want a pair of PS5s to hold that in place. So let's grab one. And then we can put a bit of oil on it. And get that screwed in. Like so. So I'm going to do the front one first, because that's where the majority of the latching mechanism is. Now I haven't got to worry about it falling out. Grab the second screw. Usual oil on the end there. Drop. And then we can pop that in place. Just like that. Now we can bring in our interior and start getting that sorted out. So let's bring that in like that. And this is going to sit just along this top edge and locate 1, 2, 3. Okay, just like that. Here's what we want. So let's grab a screw, bung a bit of oil on her, probably go for... Which one do we go for, Carl? Should we go for the middle one? There. Get that one in. Not fully tight. Just want to make sure I've got a bit of wiggle room so that if I do need any adjustment, just stops it falling down whilst I'm putting the screws in. We know that one is fine. I can now tighten that. tighten the middle, and that'll just give me that front edge now, like so. And then we go right in there. There you go. I must say, a lot of this goes together really accurately. There's a couple of challenging bits pretty much in every part work you do. There'll always be something that challenges you, but all in all, go together very quickly. So there you go, folks. That's what we're going to have at the end of this issue. Nice. So there you go. Don't forget, if you'd like to grab this and build along with me, folks, follow this link to the DeAgostini website. There is a clickable version below. And you too can be building this iconic car with me. Also, to help me out, just give a little fester a click in the corner and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Helps me grow the channel. I'm immensely grateful. Also, give the bell a ring and that will notify you of upcoming content, folks. In the meantime, thank you so much for coming in and keeping me company. Stay safe and well. Bye-bye for now.